So I hope you are all enjoying my Applecross trip. If you've not seen it yet, please check it out. It's taken forever to do the editing. I've published 3 parts to day 1 so far, and I think there's going to be maybe 2 or 3 parts to day 2. So it's good looking back all over it again and seeing stuff. You see stuff when you watch it back that you never even noticed when you're riding. There's a couple of bits of footage I've missed out, unfortunately, due to the camera not being on. I think the battery died on me once. But down to human error where I've thought I've been recording and I've not. Like Glencoe coming back just after the Green Welly, all the way down to Loch Lomond pretty much, where I overtook, no word of a lie, 100+ cars in a row. The tailback of traffic was unbelievable. It was the worst tailback I've ever seen in all my years driving. Very handy when you're on a bike and the road coming the opposite direction is very, very quiet. So it was ideal. You could just pop out, whiz by everything, then back in again. But unfortunately I missed the majority of it. I've got a section still to come where I overtake. It's 20+ cars in a row anyway, while I'm behind an R1. I'm sure it's an R1. It's a guy, he's got his girlfriend I think on the back, and I let him lead the way. Then believe it or not, I actually pass him later on. I know, MT125 passing an R1. Wait till you see this, it won't even be an R1. I'm sure it was an R1. Nah, this caught my eye there. It was a Volkswagen badge actually that sparkled in the sunlight. Your life was a blessing, your memory a treasure. You are loved beyond words and missed beyond measure. Mark David Moffat, my precious son. God, 28 years young. Wee sculpture here made up with a wheel, some springs, an exhaust, a multitude of Volkswagen badges, a couple of calipers. Rest in peace, dude. Rest in peace. So check this weather out, folks. It is awesome. Remember to take my key out my bike, because you never know. People take opportunities sometimes. Been modifying away quietly. Couple of painted bits now. In a Range Rover colour, or a Land Rover Range Rover. I've still got the bottom belly pan to do. I've also put on this carbon sort of protectant thing. I don't even know what you call it. A yoke protector. I stuck this little Yamaha badge on it. I've done the reservoir cap, the domino grips you've seen, the drop guards you've seen, and there's a little reservoir cap as well. Oh, what you've not seen actually is, I don't even know if you'll see it there, there's a little scuff just there where I decided to do this. Bollocks. Cool, that was a bit silly. So that was quite silly. But these things happen. And thankfully that was the only damage. There's a tiny little scuff on that. Although if it had the original bar ends on it, I don't even know if they were the original ones. They were heavy-ass metal ones. I imagine they would have done the job. Definitely faster than my MT this.